Hi everyone, this is Valentina. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so very excited to review a professional gym equipment to make my booty fat and big. Yeah, so this is a RitFit 2-in-1 leg press and hack squat machine. So RitFit was founded in 2014. They are 10 years old company on the market right now, and all they are aims about is to provide an affordable but sturdy fitness equipment to anyone who is all about working out. They are there to help everyone to create the ideal home gym or a commercial gym on a shoestring budget. So their machines are extra affordable and they are extra high quality. Their motto is, hey, to design your own private home gym, it doesn't have to be expensive. RitFit is here to allow you to purchase the most effective and necessary equipment for a home gym of your own on a low budget. Well guys, let's get started with the detailed review because I can't wait to show you how I'm working out on my ass. Let's get started. So guys, this is a RitFit leg press hack squat machine, and this squat machine is a bestseller on Amazon. This machine will fit a multiple types of a workout, so you can use this one as a leg press type of a machine or as a hack squat machine as well. So if you want to build a better shape of your legs and a better shape of your butt, well, you definitely need this one. As well as if you want to work out home without leaving your house, but actually have your own type of a gym inside of your house, so you will be able to go to your garage or whatever you'll choose to install this one and do some workout any time of the day, 24/7, 7 days a week. It is so much better to have your own gym inside of your own house than being limited to only gym time when you have to leave your house, waste your time to driving there or to walking there, and basically you're limited to work out to the only time that you're at the gym. Having a workout equipment inside of your home, it's definitely way better by any possible mean. It has an adjustable leg press footboard as well as adjustable hack squat footboard, and it comes with an efficient barbell plate storage for safety. This 2-in-1 leg press and hack squat machine is adapted to linear bearing rather than rolling ones. It is built in that way of the heavy-duty high tensile briefly steel. Moreover than that, there are 2 weight plate storage holders at the rear bottom of the machine. So when stacked up, it is gonna greatly enhance the machine's stability when in motion. So basically that means the machine will never fail you. The machine will never fall aside or something like that. So it's all leading us to safety. So this machine is comfortable and it's safe, which is the most important for the gym equipment. For any type of a gym equipment, it's the safety. So you can adjust the placement of your feet on the foot place of this machine. So as a result, you can focus more on training, isolating muscle groups. So the machine is stable once you are working on it, once there is a motion at the machine. So that's what's really important. You can concentrate on the workout and on a specific group of your muscles instead of being concentrated of balancing, at the machine and trying basically not to fall and be stable. This machine is also extra comfortable and gives the smooth exercise experience. It has a thick shoulder and backrest cushion, which is wrapped in a premium anti-slip and wear-resistant leather surface. That's providing an ultimate and long-lasting comfort to ease your strain and stress. All that to protect your bones and joints during your bodybuilding sessions. As well as the body of the machine itself made of a solid metal guide rods, also known as sled. As well as it made with an aluminum alloy grips on both sides. All that to upgrade the workout experience without any type of a jerk motions needed. Now once again, let's talk about the safety. It's made in an ergonomic design, so the weight carriage fits 2 inches plates and it can lift a max of 1,200 of pounds of plate loading. That type of a weight gonna satisfy most of everyone out there needs. This is a beginner friendly absolutely type of a machine, so if you are a beginner at the working out, at the lifting type of a thing, this machine is definitely gonna fit you very well. Also, if you are an experienced and you're a professional gym trainee, well, you can absolutely use this machine as well. For the legs, you can do one leg at a time or you can do both legs at a time, whatever works for you. Now the machine built in that way, so to increase the friction which needed while you are working out, it made with a large diamond plated foot plate. All that to prevent any type of accidental slide slipping while the machine is in use. It comes also with 2 cushionings at the sled's bottom, which are making it soft and sudden impact with a less noise. The triangle piece at the base of this machine, of the back support, is also enhanced the overall stability for the machine. Now you can adjust the machine by any way it works for you. First of all, it has a well-crafted design, as I told you before. Then it has 5 angle choices that you can choose from for the hack squat. And you have 3 press settings to choose from for the leg. All that to meet any type of a size and of a shape of whoever is going to use this machine. It comes with a side rail, which handles can be pushed out to unlock the sled. After you're done with your set of workout, you can pull both handles inward yourself to lock the sled in your designated lockout position. Now, with a quick flip of the back pad and lowering the leg press foot plate, you can absolutely switch workouts in seconds to perform the hack squat from the leg press. Now, when they ship this equipment to you, it arrives in 2 boxes. They're heavy, so obviously, but in case you didn't know, yeah, they're heavy. So it comes with 2 separate packaging to minimize the possibility of wear and tear due to the collision. Also, the installation, like the assembling of the equipment, was extra easy. The user manual, like the user guide of how to install what screw goes where, was extra understandable and easy to go with. It took my husband about 20 to 30 minutes to realize, to understand, and to build this machine, so the assembling was a breeze. Well guys, I truly hope it was helpful for you. I truly hope you enjoyed this video of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. Let me know, how do you grow your booty to be bigger and fatter? Because we all want a fat booty. That's not a secret. That's the biggest trend for like many years. As bigger your booty is, as better your life is gonna be. Everyone knows that. That's a fact. So anyway, guys, I want to share with you my own personal experience right now outside of all the details about the product. So I am using this equipment for about 3 weeks from now, I can say, and I like definitely the build quality. That's what I want to highlight. The quality of this machine is high. It's built very well, and you can feel and see that it's a high quality materials, and it's made and built in a high quality way. Also, it's easy to assemble it, and I loved it, even though my husband was doing it, but obviously I want for him to work as less as possible. Also, I absolutely love the value for money. It is a big advantage. Now, this machine is solid and smooth as a piece of gym equipment. I can absolutely see how someone can use this one as a commercial as well. In my opinion, it will easily fit in any commercial gym out there. Also, it will be a great purchase for a home gym, definitely, if you are looking to add on your workout, if you are looking to save time, to save money, you know, instead of going to the gym, instead of wasting your time driving, walking to the gym, you know, and being able only to work out at this specific time, at this specific, hours a day. Well, I definitely think that way better is going to be just build your own home gym and work out anytime that you want to work out, not being limited, to the location of the gym, to the time that the gym opens, because obviously the gym won't be open 24 hours. It will be open specific times of a day, and so very on. So I think getting a home gym is definitely better than just going to a gym, and not talk about the money that the subscription to a gym gonna cost you. Well guys, that was actually all for today. Please let me know, what do you think about this equipment? How do you work out? Do you even work out at all? And what do you think about a fat booty? Guys, I will leave you all of the links for RitFit down below at the description to this video of mine. They are available on Amazon, and I'm obsessed shopping on Amazon because it's safe and you are protected. So you can be safe and protected. So RitFit equipment is available on Amazon. I'll leave you the link to their Amazon, to this specific product, as well as to their Amazon shop. Also, they are available on their official website as well. You're very welcome to check all of it out. I'll leave you all of the links down below in the description box. Also, any possible way to save some money of yours, like coupon codes, sales, promotions, discounts, and so on, everything can be found down below at the description box to this video of mine as well. Well, that was actually all for today, guys. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.